Welcome to this video. I'm AI Guide Pro, and I've prepared many instructional videos based on real-world experiences. If you find them helpful, please like and subscribe. Today, I will guide you step by step on how to use Dify to build an AI application for automatically generating mind maps. This tutorial will take you through the entire process from scratch. We will use Dify as the core platform, combined with GPT-4o and Markmap, to achieve automatic mind map generation. First, let's take a look at the final outcome of this application. The application can automatically generate a mind map, displaying complex content in an intuitive way that's easy for users to understand at a glance. This feature is incredibly useful for data presentation, project planning, study notes, and more. Next, let's briefly introduce the two main tools involved in this application. First is Dify, a powerful AI application development platform that allows for quick construction of various complex applications. Second is Markmap, a tool that visualizes Markdown text into a mind map, making it ideal for presenting complex content. Now, let's look at the basic idea and workflow of this application. The first step is to set up the application in Dify and use GPT-4o to generate Markdown content in a format compatible with Markmap. The second step is to submit the generated content to a Flask service, save it as a Markdown file, and use the Markmap CLI tool to convert it into an HTML file. The final step is to return the generated HTML file for viewing. In this video, we will cover the following topics in detail: how to use the basic features of Markmap, how to use Markmap CLI to convert Markdown files into interactive HTML, how to use a Flask service to receive and save Markdown content, and how to create an application in Dify for generating mind maps. Let's take a closer look at Markmap. Markmap is a tool that visualizes Markdown text into a mind map. Its output is highly intuitive and supports various interactive features like zooming, dragging, expanding, and collapsing nodes. Additionally, Markmap offers various themes and layout styles that can be customized according to user needs. It is easy to use, requiring no registration or payment. Just write Markdown formatted text to generate a structured mind map. So, how do you install and run Markmap? First, you need to install the Markmap CLI tool. Simply enter the following command in the terminal: npm install gmarkmap CLI. Once installed, you can use the following command to convert your Markdown file into an HTML format: npx markmap CLI mindmap md no open. This will generate an interactive HTML mind map file. Next, let's look at how to use Flask to receive and handle Markdown content. First, you need to install Flask. Enter the following command in the terminal: pip install Flask. Then, create a Flask application as shown in the code below. This application can receive HTTP post requests, save Markdown content as a file, and use the Markmap CLI tool to convert it into an HTML file. Finally, it returns a JSON response containing a link to view the generated mind map. After starting the service, you can upload Markdown content to the Flask service via an HTTP post request, and it will automatically convert it into an HTML format. Then, you can access the generated HTML mind map to verify the content. To test our Flask service, you can use tools like Postman to send post requests and check if the entire process runs smoothly. Please refer to my demonstration. Next, let's see how to use the Dify platform to automatically generate mind maps. First, we need to create a workflow that can send the generated Markdown content to the Flask service. By configuring the HTTP request node, this can be easily achieved, and the workflow can be published as a tool named Markmap generator. Here is a simple demonstration. Then, we create a new agent application in Dify that allows the generation of mind maps based on the input knowledge. When setting the prompt, we can use the following style. You are an assistant for generating mind maps. Your task is to create a mind map in Markmap format based on the user's request and save it. Finally, we select the Markmap generator tool we just created. The workflow of the entire application is as follows. First, the Dify platform generates the mind map according to the user's requirements. Then, the workflow triggers the tool to send the generated Markdown content to the Flask service, where it is saved as a MD file, and the Markmap CLI tool generates an interactive HTML mind map. Finally, the Flask service returns a JSON response with a link for the user to view the mind map. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you have learned how to use Dify to build an AI application for automatically generating mind maps. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching.